congratulations for getting a Sansad Ratna awards.
Thank you very much.
Sir, you are number one in the 15th Lok Sabha for asking questions. And even in the 14th Lok Sabha, you are the number one.
Yeah.
How do you find time? You are having a lot of activities like trade union leader and other things. How do you find time to identify the questions and pose it in the parliament?
Thing is that whenever I take the responsibility, accordingly I have to give the justice to the job, whatever it is there. Suppose I am in the labor field, then I have to work sincerely for the sake of the labours. Whenever I am in the parliament, I have to represent not only the constituency but also my total nation. Whatever the problems are there from the all sectors of the society, I have to deal with the problems. I have to put it in the parliament and I have to get the result out of it. So many times definitely I have got the results. Just like this general budget, when debate was going on, I asked the minister, Mr. Pranab Mukherjee, that he have told that backward regions and for the sake of the development of the backward region, he have given some amount, a special amount for the development of backward region. Then you tell me the definition of the backward region. Because wherever I am representing my constituency, it is by all means the backward. In that sense, there is a tribal area consisting about 3 lakhs tribal peoples over there. That is the hilly area. Another one thing, the highest number of the suicide of the farmers is going on in the Vidarbha. 6 districts are there: Amravati, Akola, Yavatmal, Bulthana, Washim and Wardha. Last 10 years, more than 16,000 farmers have suicide. And because of, it is depend upon the monsoon. If monsoon take place, then crops like cotton comes over there. If good crop is there, if they will get the good amount out of it, then they are prepared to feed their family. But unfortunately, it's not happening. And that is why suicide is going on there. Every day we will see the newspaper early in the morning. We say at least 3-4 people have taken the suicide. And that is the problem. And you are saying that it is not a backward region. How is it so? Fortunately, it was appealed to him, and accordingly he has sanctioned 300 crores, especially to this area, Vidarbha. That is Western Vidarbha. What I have to say, as you ask me, that how you get the time, wherever I am there. Suppose I am in Mumbai, I deal with the problems of the workers. If I am in my constituency, I deal with the problems and development work in my constituency. And when I am in the parliament, I concentrate myself for those problems because I am dealing with all the sectors. And what their problems are there, it has been noted. And accordingly, we put the questions to the concerning ministry, not only the 1, 2, 3, but all ministry. It may be defense, it may be external affairs, it may be the finance, it may be the agriculture, or otherwise any department of the parliament. And I raise the questions accordingly, fortunately.
So how do you select the questions? Because you have more than 754 questions you have posted.
Yeah, there are so many, but I select in all the sectors. Just I told.
Are you reading the news based on the newspapers?
Of course, there are the newspapers. There are the library materials. Even though I am serving as a member of parliament last 16 years, and I am having a lot of the books of the parliaments. Lot of each and every department, and whenever I read it, I underline it. This is the question. Again, it is to be repeated. Just like the child labor. Suppose, for example, I told to the minister, we have to go to the root of the problem. Why the child labor is there? Because nobody is working in his family, is small one, but no alternative than to go to work. Whatever he get the work, he has to do it to feed his mother, who is the ill. There are his brothers and sisters. Suppose in family, one person is dead, who is feeding the family, then responsibility comes to the child. And that is why he goes to the work. He liked to play, but unfortunately he could not. That is why unless 3-4 ministries, that is labor ministry, social welfare ministry, and also the education ministry, everybody and finance has to come together and find out the solution that it should not be child labor. That way we always think that over it. Just like tribal area, they are the tribal. Why they are the tribals? Why they are not been developed from last 60-65 years? We have got the freedom, but unfortunately they are the tribal. They were the tribal. In future they will be tribal because of no infrastructure is there, no roads are there, no electricity, no water, no education, no medical facilities. They are deprived from all those things which are very much essential to the each and every person of the society. And that is why they are there as a tribal. This way, if we think he may be child labor, he may be the tribal, he may be SC, he may be ST, he may be the farmer, he may be the student, he may be the professional persons, or otherwise anybody else. There are the problems for each and every sector. And we have to look with that angle, that what are the problems, how it will be solved. But accordingly we get it, and fortunately we prepare the questions, we go to the particular ministry, accordingly we get the results. Somewhere we get the results, somewhere we could not get the results. When there is a star question, only written reply is there. But whenever there is a star question, I can ask at least 2 supplementary to the minister. Unless I am satisfied, I always follow up the matter. When I write a letter to the ministry, I am not satisfied with this answer. You have to give the proper answer. Next time I raise the same question again in the parliament. This is the practice and this is the method.
Sir, how do you find, from your experience, whether these questions, when they give an answer, to what extent they are effective and implemented?
Unless it is a star question, because fortunately there is a 1 hour for this star question. Suppose I have put the question, I can ask 2 at least supplementaries. If I am not satisfied, there is a written reply. And there are so many also the members, they can also take the opportunity to ask the supplementary. And definitely, unless we all are satisfied with the answer, we are not leaving to the minister.
What is your vision for another 2.5 years is there for this current Lok Sabha?
You see, whatever...
What you would like to achieve in this 2.5 years?
Definitely, always I think that every problem should be solved, not only for my constituency, but the nation's problems are there. But unfortunately, I am not hopeful, because in this scenario of the elections, the peoples, those who are the candidate, they are giving the monies, bribes, and accordingly they are getting the elected. The persons in majority are in the government, and how does the government do? But you see, last 10-12 years, there are so many problems. We have not solved the problems which were in past, but we have created the problems. There is a biggest threat of the terrorism. There is a the price level of all the commodities a high level. There is not a proper security. There is not a proper feeding to the poor persons. Everywhere there is a fraud and misappropriation. Just like the spectrum is there. Another one that Commonwealth is there. Third one civil aviation is there. Fourth one other society is there. So many those problems are there. Frauds have taken place in lakhs of crores, not only the crores, but in lakhs of crores. There is a coal mining fraud is coming over now. It is more than 10 lakhs, thousands crores of rupees. That is why whatever the money is there of the country is not a poor country. People are poor. Country is not poor. Because if the frauds are taking place in thousands of crores, then how can we say that this country is the poor country? The country is rich, but people are poor. That is the problem with our country.
What is your message to the youngsters, sir?
Definitely, I hope that this coming new generation, if it will come to the politics, definitely they will do something. Because the old persons in the politics are not that way capable to develop the country properly as we wish. That is why new generation will come over there. Definitely they will take place of it, all those things. They will take care of all those problems, and country will develop like anything, because again I will tell, we are the rich country of the poor people. Unless the new generation comes over there, nothing will happen.
Thank you very much, sir, for giving an interview to Party Noise.